Bostik's Born2Bond thread locking adhesives are anaerobic, single-component liquid solutions for mechanical parts assembly. Key advantages over mechanical locking devices include inventory reduction, vibration resistance, thread coverage, and corrosion protection. Check out these simple demonstrations to see the advantages for yourself. Inventory reduction. Mechanical locking devices require additional storage space, and choosing the correct locking device can cause complexity when making a simple repair. One small bottle of thread locker can replace a variety of locking device types and sizes, and is easy to keep on hand. Vibration resistance. This demonstration shows how easily a nut can twist off the bolt without thread locker on it, even when such little vibration occurs. We conducted a Juncker test to determine exactly when mechanical locking devices fail when exposed to vibration with and without thread locker. This chart shows the results. When a bolt is unsecured with no thread locker, you can see it loses clamping force after very few cycles. However, with thread locker, the nut is firmly held in place. Even after over 1,000 cycles have been completed, it loses less than 10% of the initial clamping force. Thread coverage. In this demonstration, you can see how our product seals the threads and fills all gaps between the nut and the bolt. By filling the gaps, the thread locker protects against oxidation, water intrusion, and debris, allowing for improved performance of the threaded assembly. This relates to our next demonstration. Corrosion protection. Without proper protection, threaded parts can corrode, weakening the part and risking failures. We set out to prove thread locker's corrosion protection capabilities by comparing bolts with and without thread locker after a 10-day saltwater submersion. You can see the difference between the bolts with and without the thread locker. The part that had the thread locker remains clean and free of corrosion in the bond area. That concludes our thread locker demonstrations. We hope that they help you see the value of thread locker. Contact a Bostik expert today to get started with yours.